2018 Mazda 3. Mazda has showcased the Kai concept at 2017's Tokyo Motor Show, which previews the replacement for the Mazda 3 family car. It'll feature Mazda's latest engines to be very economical on fuel, quiet and quicker than current models. Can't wait for the next Mazda 3? Check out how much you can save on the current model with our Mazda 3 deals page. Click Login in the top right-hand corner to sign up and configure a new car or browse our extensive range of new, nearly new and pre-reg stock cars. Mazda has styled the Kai to look futuristic and aggressive, but it's not a million miles from the design of the current Mazda 3. The shape is very similar with the relatively long bonnet and swooping roof, and it uses a larger, deeper version of the smart grille of the current CX-5 SUV. Layered wheel arches and a chunky C-pillar make the car look sporty, but it's unclear whether these will feature on the production car. This concept rides on 20-inch alloy wheels that are unlikely to be available on the new Mazda 3. Around the back, the Kai performs the same trick of looking similar to the 3 while being sporty and modern. It features a huge rear diffuser with 2 rifled exhaust pipes and a heavily sculpted rear bumper. As nice as it looks, it'll be toned down in the name of practicality because the boot opening will almost certainly be bigger. The sides are almost completely free of creases and, like on most concept cars, cameras replace swing mirrors. The interior of the Kai concept could suggest how future Mazda interiors might look, with very few buttons on the center console and, instead, a massive, almost full-width digital screen showing all the navigation and infotainment information. All the plastics look like they're production-ready, although the steering wheel will almost certainly be changed to accommodate cruise and volume controls. The body looks slightly bigger than on the car it'll replace, hinting that passenger and boot space will be improved. The next Mazda 3 will use Mazda's latest high-tech Skyactiv petrol engine. It works more like a diesel engine to achieve a 20% increase in fuel economy, while producing more power and smooth, easy acceleration. It's expected that the car will be fun to drive because Mazda says it wants the driver to feel in perfect harmony with the car. When the replacement for the Mazda 3 goes on sale, it's likely to cost around the same price as the current car at around £18,000. Seeing as the Kai concept looks similar to the 3, we'd expect the new car to go on sale in late 2018 or early 2019. 2018 Mazda 3 Sport. 2018 Mazda 3 Review. 2018 Mazda 3 Sedan. 2018 Mazda 3 GT. 2018 Mazda 3. 2018 Mazda 3 Odd.